193 is the natural number following 192 and preceding 194. In mathematics, 193 is an odd number. 193 is a centered 32-gonal number. 193 is a happy number. 193 is a lucky number. 193 is an odious number. 193 is a square-free number. 193 is the sum of two square numbers. 122 plus 72. 193 is the difference of two square numbers. 972 to 962. 193 is a prime number. 193 is a Cuban prime. 193 is a full reptend prime. 193 is a Pierpont prime. 193 is a Polite prime. 193 is a Proth prime, as it is 3 times 26 plus 1193 is a twin prime with 191,193 is the only odd prime P known for which 2 is not a primitive rootive. 193 is a Proth prime as it is 3 times 26 plus 1. It can be written as the difference between the product and the sum of the first 4 primes. 193 is the sum of two squares. 122 plus 72. 193 is a twin number. 193 is a twin prime with 191. 193/71 is the most accurate approximation of Euler's number such that both the numerator and the denominator are integers less than 200. In geography, I. Brown O. 193 is a rural municipality in Saskatchewan, Canada. House at 193 Vernon Street, a historic house at 193 Vernon Street in Wakefield, Massachusetts. In the military, 193 Squadron Israeli Air Force AS-565 Panther Helicopter Squadron, 193rd Special Operations Wing assigned to the Pennsylvania Air National Guard, the parent unit of the 193rd Special Operations Squadron. 193rd Battalion unit in the Canadian Expeditionary Force during World War I. 193rd Infantry Brigade United States Army Reserve during World War II. Bristol Type 193 Belvedere was a Royal Air Force twin-engined, tandem-rotor military helicopter during the 1960s. No. 193 Squadron was a Royal Air Force squadron during World War II. USA 193 is an American military spy satellite launched on December 14, 2006. USNS Glomar Explorer, United States Navy vessel used for deep-sea drilling. USNS Walter S. Deal is a United States Navy Henry J. Kaiser-class fleet replenishment oiler. Able P. Upshur was a United States Navy Clemson-class destroyer until World War II. Garfield Thomas was a United States Navy Cannon-class destroyer escort during World War II. Jasna was a United States Navy Falcon-class motor minesweeper from 1954 to 1976. Lancaster was a United States Navy Alamosa-class cargo ship during World War II. Sanborn was a United States Navy Haskell-class attack transport during World War II. Swordfish was a United States Navy Sargo-class submarine during World War II. In sports. Jordan 193 Formula One car, which Jordan Grand Prix raced in the 1993 Formula One season. In telephony, 193 is the fire emergency number in Brazil. 193 is the medical emergency number in Ghana. 193 is the fire emergency number in the Republic of Macedonia, Croatia, Serbia, Kosovo. 193 is the medical emergency number for the National Guard in Tunisia. In transportation, National Airlines Flight 193 crashed into Escambia Bay by Pensacola International Airport on May 8, 1978. In other fields, 193 is also The year AD 193 or 193 BC. The atomic number of an element temporarily called an yttrium. 193 Ambrosia is a main belt asteroid. Minuscule 193 is a Greek minuscule manuscript of the New Testament, on parchment. ICRF 193 is a topoisomerase inhibitor. Trial of the 193 was a series of criminal trials in Russia in 1877 to 1878.